As Sri Lanka prepares to elect its next president this Saturday, the country is still navigating the aftermath of its worst economic crisis. President Ranil Wickremesinghe, who has been leading the nation through turbulent times, is seeking re-election to continue implementing bold reforms aimed at economic revival. At 75, Wickremesinghe claims credit for stabilizing the economy and alleviating months of shortages in food, fuel, and medicine since taking office in 2022. Following widespread protests that led to his predecessor's resignation, he restored calm and initiated tough measures to revive the economy. This election is pivotal for the economically fragile nation, with Wickremesinghe emphasizing the importance of building a stronger export economy and fostering closer ties with India for investment and tourism. Here are the five main contenders in the 2024 Sri Lanka elections. 75-year-old Ranil Wickremesinghe is a lawyer who has served as Prime Minister for a record 6 times. His party holds only one seat in parliament and will need to drum up support from key parties to bolster his chances. As the leader of the United National Party or UNP, he took office in July 2022 after widespread protests unleashed by the debilitating financial crisis forced his predecessor Gotabaya Rajapaksa to flee Sri Lanka and later resign. The Sri Lankan parliament elected Ranil Wickremesinghe to serve out the rest of the 5-year term of Mr. Rajapaksa, who took office in 2019. Ranil Wickremesinghe's re-election campaign did not receive formal endorsement from the Sri Lanka Podujana Peramuna, the largest party in the 225-member parliament. However, with the backing of over 90 lawmakers, he remains in a strong position. Wickremesinghe is running as an independent candidate. The 57-year-old opposition leader Sajith Premadas is the son of former President Rana Singh Premadas. He leads the Samagi Jana Balavegya (SJB), which split from Ranil Wickremesinghe's UNP in 2020. His centrist, left-leaning party wants changes to the 2.9 billion bailout with the International Monetary Fund, including adjusting taxes to lower the cost of living. Premadas supports a mix of government intervention and free market policies. The 55-year-old leader Anura Kumara Desanayake holds just 3 seats in parliament but has gained popularity with his strong anti-corruption stance and pro-poor policies. He is running under the National People's Power (NPP) coalition, which includes his Marxist-leaning People's Liberation Front (PLF). His party supports more government control and closed market economic policies. A pre-election survey showed Desanayake leading with 36% support, followed by Premadasa with Wickremesinghe in third place. The 38-year-old Namal Rajapaksa, a member of influential Rajapaksa family that produced 2 presidents, his father Mahinda and uncle Gotabaya, is a surprise candidate for the Sri Lanka Podujana Peramuna SLPP, founded by another uncle, Basil. He faces the tough challenge of keeping the party united to compete against Wickremesinghe's chances of winning. Nuwan Bopage, 40, is the presidential candidate for the People's Struggle Alliance (PSA). He aims to draw support from the remnants of the People's Uprising that ousted Gotabaya Rajapaksa 2 years ago. Bopage has a strong anti-corruption platform, advocates for pro-poor policies, and opposes Sri Lanka's alignment with the IMF program.